This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before making changes to your health routine. Stay with me until the very end, because I have a free gift that you do not want to miss. Now, let's dive in. If you've been eating salads, skipping dessert, even dragging yourself to the gym, but that belly just won't budge, listen closely. The problem almost certainly isn't your willpower. It isn't your metabolism. It definitely isn't that you're not trying hard enough. The real problem has a name: cortisol belly. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how stress is secretly telling your body to hoard fat around your midsection, and a clear 30-day framework to start turning it off. Now, what exactly is cortisol belly? Picture this. You wake up already dreading your inbox. You rush out the door, maybe skip breakfast or grab something sugary just to cope. By mid-afternoon, you're exhausted and craving something crunchy or sweet. You work late, you scroll your phone to unwind, and then you lie awake at midnight, brain racing. If that feels familiar, you're not broken. You're living in a cortisol lifestyle, and your body is responding by storing fat specifically around your midsection. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone. It was designed to save your life in short bursts. You see a threat, you get a surge of energy, you escape, and then your body calms back down. Today, your body can't tell the difference between a tiger and a passive-aggressive email. To your nervous system, stress is stress. When stress is constant, cortisol stays elevated all day. That changes how you store fat, how you crave food, and how stubborn your belly becomes. Here are the 3 links that connect your stress to your belly fat. Step 1 is the cortisol spike. When you are chronically stressed, your adrenal glands keep pumping out cortisol. What should have been a short-term emergency becomes your normal, so your body lives in a low-grade fight-or-flight state. Step 2 is the craving and blood sugar spiral. Cortisol tells your liver to dump glucose into your bloodstream for quick energy. Blood sugar spikes, then crashes. On crash, your brain screams for fast carbs and sugar. This is why you are not dreaming about broccoli at 3 in the afternoon. You are thinking about chips, chocolate, or bread. That is not a lack of discipline. That is biology. Step 3 is the fat storage command. Cortisol signals fat cells in your abdominal area to hold on and expand. It promotes the storage of visceral fat, the deep belly fat that wraps around your organs. This fat is dangerous and incredibly stubborn. The more stressed you are, the more your body wants to store it. This is why endless crunches do not fix a cortisol problem. You are fighting your own hormones. If this is already hitting home, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It tells me that this is the kind of content you want more of. Now let's talk about the 4-pillar, 30-day cortisol belly framework: sleep, food, movement, and stress reset. Pillar 1 is sleep. Poor sleep is one of the fastest ways to spike cortisol. Even one bad night can drive cortisol up the next day and wreck your hunger hormones. Your first action is to protect the last 60 minutes before bed. No news, no doom scrolling, no heavy conversations. Make that time boring and calm. Your second action is to aim to be asleep before 11. Cortisol naturally dips earlier in the night. Staying up late keeps it elevated. Your third action is to make your room cold and dark. Your cortisol rhythm is tied to light. A dark, cool room tells your nervous system the emergency is over. Pillar 2 is food. Your goal is stable blood sugar and lower inflammation. Your first action is to eat protein within an hour of waking, around 25 grams. This keeps your blood sugar from crashing and prevents a huge cortisol spike in the morning. Your second action is to dramatically cut ultra-processed foods for 30 days. Chips, pastries, and sugary drinks rocket your blood sugar and keep cortisol on a roller coaster. Whole foods keep things steady. Your third action is to add magnesium-rich foods every day. Leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, avocado, and a bit of dark chocolate help your body handle stress. Pillar 3 is movement. This is where many stressed people accidentally make things worse. Your first action is to trade some long, punishing cardio for strength training. 2 or 3 resistance training sessions per week signal your body to build lean muscle without constantly raising cortisol. Your second action is to walk after meals. Even a 10-minute walk lowers blood sugar, supports digestion, and calms your system. Your third action is to schedule real rest days. Overtraining is a cortisol amplifier. For a stressed body, rest is medicine. Pillar 4 is stress reset. This is the part most people skip. Your first action is a 2-minute breathing practice, twice a day. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. Longer exhales tell your body that it is safe now. Your second action is to identify your top 3 daily stress triggers and create one simple boundary around at least one of them this week. That might be silencing notifications for an hour or saying no to one extra obligation. Your third action is to get 20 minutes in nature whenever you can. Being outdoors lowers cortisol and helps pull you out of fight or flight. Now let's bust a few myths that might be holding you back. Myth 1. If you are not losing weight, you just need to eat less. For a cortisol-driven body, eating too little is a stress signal. It pushes cortisol higher and can make belly fat worse. Myth 2. More cardio always equals more fat loss. For someone already stressed, long daily cardio sessions can pour gasoline on the cortisol fire. You may get fitter, but keep the belly. Myth 3. Belly fat is just calories in and calories out. Calories matter, but hormones decide where fat gets stored. Cortisol pushes fat to your midsection. Myth 4. Supplements will fix your cortisol. Some adaptogens can help, but no pill overrides a high-stress lifestyle. The foundations of sleep, food, movement, and nervous system reset come first. Myth 5. You just need more willpower. You have probably been trying very hard. The issue is not effort. It is strategy. Cortisol belly is a hormonal issue, not a character flaw. Now imagine yourself 30 days from today. You have protected your sleep. Your cravings have calmed because your blood sugar is not crashing all day. You feel more stable and clear-headed. Your clothes fit differently around your midsection. For the first time in a long time, you do not feel like you are fighting your own body. You are finally working with it. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more on hormones, metabolism, and stress-free fat loss. Then go to the description and click on your next must-watch video, or click it here on the screen so you know exactly what to do next and you don't miss out on your next important steps. And while you are there, grab your free keto ebook in the description as another tool to support your fat loss journey. Thank you for watching.